Everything you know is in your mind.
Sirisha, word power episode 3. Okay? Under report. Under report means fail to report. Under report means fail to report. Under report, under reported, under reported. That is the conjugation of this verb. Under report. Okay? Flare up. F-L-A-R-E. Flare. U-P. Up. Flare up means sudden outburst. Flare up means sudden outburst. For example, that painter, the other day painter came here, Lakshmi Narayana, painter came. I flared up because he was doing such a nasty thing. He was asking like that. I flared up. That's called flare up means sudden outburst. You don't know. You are outbursting yourself. That's called flare up, flaring up. Emote. E-M-O-T-E. Emote. Emote means portray emotion. Portray emotion. You are here. Suddenly the other character came. Okay? You need to emote. He needs to emote. Portray the emotion. When director say emotion, 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 you have to show emotion. That time you have to laugh. Emotion you have to show. Okay? Artist how should be? Sometimes some artist has to emote, sometimes cool, sometimes laugh, like that, no? Whatever is there, all the script will be in the director's mind. All the script, what he wanted to tell the audience, that is in his mind. We are only puppets. We are only puppets. That's all. Whatever he say, put like this, like this, like this, we have to do. That's all. It's all. That is why I say, it's all director's film. Director, he has some vision. He envisioned something to show to audience in the theater. Right? So that is why what we say, we are just puppets, we act and go. So director, he makes it. Editing, everything he will do. Okay? Then he will release to the theater for the audience judgment. Right? That's called emote. Emote means you have to emote then. Emote, emoted, emoted. Emote means portraying emotion, playing emotion, showing emotion. Supple, S-U-P-P-L-E. Supple. Supple means bendable. Supple means bendable. Okay. Stand still. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. S-T-I-L-L. Still. Stand still means absence of motion. Director told, lights, camera, action. If you are stand still, director already ordered, lights, camera, action. You are not acting. Then that's called stand still. Okay? Stand still means absence of motion. All these words are from acting direction fields. Of course, generally they are also used. Okay? Fidget. F-I-D-G-E-T. Fidget. Fidget means making small movements. Making small movements is called fidget. Integral. I-N-T-E-G-R-A-L. Integral means essential. Compulsory. Integral means essential. Cues. C-U-E-S. Cues. In cinema parlance, in movie parlance, in acting parlance, cues mean signals, signs. Signals, signs mean cues. C-E-U-S. Cues. Typecast. T-Y-P-E-C-A-S-T. Typecast. Typecast means acting same every time. Typecast means acting same every time. There is a film actor, Telugu film actor, Alar Naresh. He is a typecast actor. Every time he does the same thing. So, typecast actors, they want to stand in the field, in the film industry for a long time. They come and go, that's all. So, you should not be a typecast actor. Police officer means do the police officer character. Judge means do the judge character. Heroine means do the heroine character. Sister means do the sister character. For all characters, don't do typecast. Typecast means doing the same acting every time, like Alar Naresh. Okay? Versatile. VERSATILE. Versatile means adaptable. Versatile means adaptable. See, every time you are not doing the same character. Okay? Sometimes you need to do prostitute character. For example, that lady is there, Telugu film is there.
Vedam.
What is that? Vedam. That lady, famous lady, Anushka Shetty, Sweetie, her name is Sweetie. But screen name is Anushka Shetty. See, Anushka acted as a prostitute in the film Vedam. Okay, the same lady acted in a different character in Bahubali. Okay, that means you should be adaptable to any character. You should be attuned yourself to any character. Right? That means always a film actor or actress. Film actor or actress. I am the actor, you are the actress. Okay. So either male character or female character should be versatile to do. For example, Prakash Raj. That fellow, he does versatile characters. He attunes himself. He adapts himself. He is adaptable to any character to do. Right? Next word, wistfulness. 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 Wistfulness means feeling of sadness. Wistfulness means feeling of sadness. Slapstick. What's that? Slapstick. SLAP. Slap. STICK. Stick. Slapstick. Slapstick means, see, comedy based on embarrassing events. Comedy based on embarrassing events. For example, there is one Jabardast show. Jabardast show is there. So one fellow is there, Adi fellow. So he is a slapstick. He is a slapstick. Comedy based on the embarrassing events. That means what he is speaking is dialogue, some people may not like. He is embarrassing for them. It's called slapstick. Slapstick means comedy based on embarrassing events. Nonetheless, NONTHELESS. Nonetheless means in spite of that. In spite of that means nonetheless. Nonetheless means in spite of that. Scourge. 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 Scourge means curse. Scourge means curse. Say curse. Dreading. 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 Dreading means fearing. Dreading means fearing. Clumsily. CLUMSILY. Clumsily means awkwardness. Awkwardly. Ugly. Yes. Clumsily means ugly. Awkwardness. Awkwardly. Inwards. Towards the inside. Inwards mean towards the inside. Twine. TWINE. Twine means wrap. Means packing. Twining means packing. Twine, twined. Wrapped. You need to know, and all the audience, the YouTube viewers, I am telling you, you need to understand one thing very importantly when learning verbs. Present tense, past tense, past participle. For every word, for every verb, not for word, for every verb, there is past tense, present tense, past tense, past participle. This is verb conjugation. It's called verb conjugation. Verb conjugation, for every verb required, you must know. Twine, twined, twined. Wrap, wrapped, wrapped. So she is asking present tense, past tense, future tense. They are the tenses. Main tenses in the language are three: present tense, past tense, future tense. Yeah, as she rightly said, I am not talking of tenses. I am talking of verb conjugation. In verb conjugation, present tense will be there, twined. Past tense will be there, twined. Past participle is there, twined. If you want present tense, if you want future tense for twine, you need to prefix will or shall. Will twine or shall twine. That is future tense. Please, the YouTube audience, the viewers, please try to understand this. With great difficulty, we are making the lecture only for yourself. Hop, skip, H-O-P, hop, S-K-I-P, skip. Half skip. Half skip means spring and move forward. Spring and move forward. Spring and move forward. Hop, skip. Okay. Halving flight is there. Flights, you know, Air India flights, all flights are there, no? Flight, aeroplane. You want to direct flight or hopping flight, they ask. Hopping means Madras you take the flight. That comes to Hyderabad. Then goes to Delhi. That's called hopping flight. Direct flight means Madras to Delhi, direct flight. No hopping, no stopping in between. In railway we say stopping. In flight language we say hopping. Hop skip means spring and move. Spring and move. Bubbling. B-U-B-B-L-I-N-G. Bubbling. Bubbling means cheerful, high spirits. YouTube audience, because of Sirisha, today I am bubbling. I am in high spirits. That's called bubbling. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Clasp. C-L-A-S-P. C-L-A-S-P. Clasp. Clasp means grasp. Clasp means grasp. Clasp. Clasped. Clasped. Grasp. Grasped. Grasped. Clap means grasp. Grasp means understand. Understand. Understood. Understood. That is verb conjugation. If you want present tense, past tense, future tense, will grasp, grasp, grasped, grasped. Lapel, L-A-P-E-L, lapel means a part of coat, a part of coat. Pump handle, P-U-M-P, pump, H-A-N-D-L-E, handle. Pump handle means move ribs. These are called ribs. These are called ribs. Okay, move ribs like a pump handle. Pump handle. In acting, rib movement is very important. This movement, this place is called rib. This rib movement is very important in acting. Okay, move ribs like a pump handle. Pump handle is like this. Okay, drooping. D-R-O-O-P-I-N-G. Drooping. Drooping means hanging downwards. Hanging downwards. It's called drooping. Hanging downwards. Fumbling. F-U-M-B-L-I-N-G. Fumbling. Fumbling means handling something clumsily. Handling something clumsily. It's called fumbling. Gauge. Gauge means stare. G-A-Z-E. Gauge means stare. Like this fixed look is called stare. Means gauge. Brow. B-R-O-W. Brow. Brow means forehead. Forehead is called brow. Repose. R-E-P-O-S-E. Repose. Repose means lie. Repose, lie. Sleep. Like this. Tilt, T-I-L-T, tilt, march down, tilt. Improvise, I-M-P-R-O-V-I-S-E. Improvise means extemporize. Then and there. One film actor was there, N.T. Ramarao. He passed away. He is no more. He died. He is an extempore artist. Saggy, S-A-G-G-I-N-G, sagging. Sagging means bulging downwards. For example, the breast bulging downwards is called sagging. One should not, breast should be well maintained with a good bra. Otherwise, the movement of the what we call, so which is sensor cut, they will be sagging down thing people don't like. So you should not be sagging. Sagging means that. Sagging means bulging downwards. Slouch, S-L-O-U-C-H, slouch. Slouch means sit in a lazy position. Lazy position you are sitting, that's called slouching. Slouchy, sit lazily. Buoyant, B-U-Y-O-A-N-T. Buoyant means cheerful, happiness. Springy, S-P-R-I-N-G-Y. Springy means elastic, springy. Stride, S-T-R-I-D-E. Stride, march. Pace, stride means pace, march. Step. Braced, B-R-A-C-E-D. Braced means supported. Braced means supported. Proscenium, P-R-O-S-C-E-N-I-U-M. Proscenium means the part of a theater in front of the curtain. The part of the theater in front of the curtain. That's called proscenium. Okay, proscenium means the part of the theater in front of the screen, in front of the curtain. In front of the curtain, not screen. Squarely, S-Q-U-A-R-E-L-Y. Squarely means without deviating one side. Without deviating one side is called squarely. The blame is squarely on director because the film flopped, failed. So the blame is squarely on the director, not on one side, not on this side. Directly one side is called squarely. Suppleness, S-U-P-P-L-E-N-E-S-S. Suppleness. Suppleness means cause of being bent. Bending thing is called suppleness. Rotary, R-O-T-A-R-Y. Rotary means revolving around a center or an axis. Revolving around a center or an axis is called rotary. But on the center only something will be there, that revolving like this. Proximity, P-R-O-X-I-M-I-T-Y. Proximity means nearness. Proximity means nearness. Shuffling, S-H-U-F-F-L-I-N-G. Shuffling means mixing. Grotesque, G-R-O-T-E-S-Q-U-E. Grotesque means ugly figure. Ugly figure is called grotesque. So she is grotesque. Send her off. All grotesque in that office only. Only who are useful to this office. Grotesque. Pivot, P-I-V-O-T. Pivot, central point. Screech, shriek, S-C-R-E-E-C-H. Screech means shriek. Ah! That is shriek. That is shriek. Screech. Okay? So that means, oh, something happened to that man, we have to help. If you are put to something uneasy, how will you talk? Tell me. Something happened to you, some snake came on you. How will you feel? That's called shriek. Screech. Screech means shriek. Okay?
Shock.
Something like that. Fidelity. Fidelity. Fidelity means loyalty. Loyalty means viswasam. Fidelity means viswasam. Loyalty. Okay? All my actors working in my company they have fidelity to my company. Fidelity means loyalty, faithfulness, viswasam in Telugu. Transcription. Transcription. Transcription means systematic representation of spoken language in written form. Transcription means systematic representation of spoken language in written form. That's called transcription. Dejected. Dejected. Dejected means sad and depressed. Dejected means sad and depressed. Modulate. Modulate. Modulate means vary the tone. Vary the tone. Palike vidam. It's called varying the tone. It's called modulation.
Way of slang.
Way of slang. Way of slang. For example, in one film, Aparachitudu, one hero is there, Vikram fellow. Sian Vikram, that fellow. When did I meet you? I didn't meet you. Hey, I'll kill you. So that means in one tone is modulating. That's called modulation. Modulate. Vary the tone. Versatility. Ability. Versatility. Versatility means ability. That only that Tamil fellow, Vikram, Shian Vikram, that fellow has the versatility. Versatility means ability. An actor should have versatility. Always you are doing the nurse character, always doing the sister character, always doing the auntie character, always doing the prostitute character, always doing the vegetable seller character. No, not always. Versatile characters you need to do as per the director's will and pleasure, as per the director's wish, because director is the creator of the film. Producer only pumping the money. He has no role, only pumping the money. I want chicken curry, I want prawn curry. I want crocodile curry, I want this curry, that curry. I want to jeedi pappu, that's all. That's what the artist says, producer brings. But director thinks. He's a thinker. He's a creator. He does the job. Okay? How to take this? He orders the cameraman, the director of photography, DOP. He orders him, I want this scene like this. So like that, the photographer has to arrange his camera, his screen, everything. Then he has to shoot. Okay? Versatility required. In an artist, what is required? Versatility required. Every time the same scene, same character you are not playing. You are playing so many you need to play. Uncanny, UNCANNY, uncanny means mysterious, strange. Uncanny means mysterious, strange. Intricate, INTRICATE, intricate means complicated. Jarring, J-A-R-R-I-N-G. Jarring. Jarring means incongruous in a striking way. Jarring actor or actress, lady or male, whoever. Jarring actor always shines in the film line. Jarring actor. Jarring means striking in a different way. Incongruous in a different way is called jarring actor. Drawl. D-R-A-W-L. Drawl. Drawl means lazy. Drawl means lazy. Speak in a lazy, slow way, slow manner is called drawl. Arey, don't bring me as a drawl man. We'll say like that. Shrill. S-H-R-I-L-L. Shrill. Shrill means high pitched. Shrill means high pitched. Now I am telling this, you have to listen. That's called shrilling. That's called shrilling. Shrill means high pitched. Eardrums. E-A-R-D-R-U-M-S. Eardrums. The parts in ear. Inside the ear, there is eardrum. If drum is there, you can't listen. Somebody is telling to you, somebody telling you, you can't listen. Eardrums are inside the ear. Intelligible. Before what we discussed, unintelligible. That is ununderstandable. Now intelligible. I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-I-B-L-E. Intelligible means understandable. Intelligible means
Understandable.
understandable. Hazy. H-A-Z-Y. Hazy means foggy. F-O-G-G-Y. Foggy. Hazy means foggy. Film editor when editing, when something is required, he puts out a fog. Puts out a fog so that audience don't understand what it is. That's called foggy. Fog. Hazy means foggy. Timber. T-I-M-B-R-E. Timber. Timber means tone. Timber means tone. Muffled. M-U-F-F-L-E-D. Muffled. Muffled means not loud because of obstruction. Not loud because of obstruction is called muffled. Hoarse. H-O-A-R-S-E. Hoarse. Rough. Hoarse means rough. Rough and harsh. Hoarse means rough and harsh.